y'all, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT, and I am back with another video. Y'all, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn your notification bell on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and thumbs up, all that good stuff, so that we can stay in the algorithm, y'all. It's 2025, y'all, and we're trying to get this to where it needs to be. So please, you guys, if you like the videos, y'all, the likes are free. Subscribe to the channel and all the good stuff. I promise you everything here is free. And I will begin to give giveaways. My first giveaway, I am going to give away at 500 subscribers. So if you haven't already, you have to subscribe to the channel. I will come back in another video to let you guys know what I'm giving away and what you're going to have to do to qualify for the giveaway. I can't even think right now. To qualify for the giveaway. So I will see you guys throughout the video. I might talk about it a little bit more, but I'm gonna go ahead and get right into this. My mind just went totally blank. If you guys haven't seen my previous video, go ahead and check that one out. I am still suffering from the flu, so my mind's a little bit all over the place, so please forgive me, but I'm gonna get right into this one. The next haul is, this one is from Shein. Again, I've already opened the bag, so let's get right into it. So this is the second haul that I had. Show you guys what I have here. Now, I did open this previously, and I have to say that I wasn't pleased with this purchase from Shein. And the reason being is because the bag that was described, I thought it was way bigger than this small bag that was sent to me. Now, I do think the bag is cute. However, I haven't opened it yet. This is the first time I actually opened it, but has like a little purse chain with it, which is cute. But I thought the bag was actually bigger than this. It does come with a chain inside. Has this pouch that goes into the bag as well, but shit, y'all got me on this one. I thought it was a bigger bag, but it's fine. I'm still gonna use it, and they do come in two other colors. I believe it's the green, and this one is like a dark gray. A green and a brown are the other two colors that it comes in. So if you guys are looking to purchase it, even though it's small, head on over to Shein and get it. The next item is, y'all have to excuse the noise. I don't know what they're doing out there. I hope you guys are having an awesome day and staying healthy, because like I said, as I mentioned, I do have getting over the flu now, and it has been horrible. I don't wish this on anybody. It's just been a mess. So yeah, next item is these shades. I don't want to, it's just plain aviator shades. So that's that. The next item I have are these bracelets. This bracelet. The next item I have, now I don't know how this is gonna fit. I didn't take it out the bag. This is taking it out the bag for the first time. These are these stretch leggings. They have like the, I would say, pleather on the side, because it's definitely not leather. And it is brown. Now, I do look like they will fit. I don't know if it's see-through. It looks like it's basically cleared through, as you can see. So this is probably not going to be something that I will wear unless I have something very, very large over it. That's one thing that I do hate about Shein clothing, is some of the clothing is extremely see-through. So, and last but not least, from this one, I saw this super cute sweater that was giving me like Burberry vibes. So I was like, you know what, got to purchase it. And I think what I might do, I'm actually going to test it on another item I have. But on the back, I think I'm going to put something like Burberry on here. I know I said it on another video And I didn't do it on that sweater only because I was like, you know what? Let me just wear the sweater first and see. But I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. Put the something like Burberry on that one as well. So, but that's pretty much it from this haul, y'all. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead, like I said, subscribe. Like the video so it does stay in the algorithm so that we can get these videos coming through so more people can watch it. Like the video, share the video with your friends, all that good stuff. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And I will come back in another video with the last haul. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.